Hey guys, Tom here. How to upload photos for virtual staging. Let's go. First of all, again, you see your small volume tours here. You go to photo editor. You're gonna see all the offers that we have, and you're gonna scroll down to virtual staging. Okay, that's all here. Virtual staging, either normal or in 360 down the bottom there, further down there. But let's focus on just the normal one. If you click on the info logo, you're going to get more examples because we can do so many different kinds of virtual staging. So modern, Scandinavian, traditional, contemporary, Hamptons, coastal, whatever you like. So go through the examples and see if you like it. You just press start. We're going to put a job name, virtual staging. Normally it would be the property address. And in here, you're going to have to upload your photos of the empty room. So once we have the empty room photo, let's say a bedroom, we can click next over here or over here. And this is the important bit. You must tell us what this room actually is, okay? Select a room name. This is very important. And we have all those different room names. So even if it's a simple living room, you have to tell us if you want the TV in there or if you don't, or if it's a lounge room with dining and kitchen or just lounge room. So this one, let's say main bedroom. We will know how to furnish it, okay? And then you just click on whichever furniture you like. So let's say you would like the coastal, you just click on it. If you don't like it, you can unclick it. Oh, you can't. You can just change to another one because you have to choose one of them. Size of the photos, whatever size you like, and then also additional information which might be very important for us if you have any specific things that you would like to have, you know, any special paintings or side tables or even just the covers on the bed sheets. Okay, and then you go next. This is just the summary of what it's going to be. Next, and it's going to take you to payment, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Enjoy the staging, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye.